In this video, we're reviewing the Curri Driver App, a delivery platform that connects drivers with construction and industrial supply deliveries. But how does it actually work and how much can you make driving for Curri? I'm going to go ahead and break it down. So what is Curri? So Curri is a logistics app that specializes in last mile and same day deliveries for construction materials, tools and suppliers. Think of it as a gig app like Uber, but instead of passengers, you're delivering items for construction companies and suppliers. Now let's talk about how it works. So first you download the Curri Driver app and sign up by completing your profile, driver's license and vehicle information. Once approved, you start receiving delivery requests based on your location and vehicle type. You can accept jobs directly in the app, which show pickup and drop off details, pay rate and estimated time. When it comes to earnings, drivers get paid per delivery and rates can vary depending on distance, vehicle needed and the size of the load. Payments are sent weekly and Curri supports different vehicle types from cars and vans to pickup trucks and box trucks. So your earning potential depends on what you drive. Of course, there are trade-offs. Deliveries may not always be consistent, especially in smaller cities. Larger vehicles usually get higher paying jobs, so drivers with only a small car may see fewer big payouts. And since it's gig work, there are no traditional benefits like insurance or paid time off. So who benefits from Curri? If you have a reliable vehicle and want flexible gig with potentially higher payouts, then ride sharing apps, Curri can be a great option. If you're especially good for drivers with trucks or vans who can handle larger deliveries. To wrap it up, Curri makes it easy to earn money by delivering construction supplies with flexible scheduling and upfront pay details. It's not perfect, but for the right driver, it can be profitable side hustle or even steady income.